the Schaumburg location, and I am here with my Willowbrook friends, and we are going to make a tornado in the jar. So all you will need is a jar and some water and some dish soap. So you're just going to pour up the water into the jar and then add a small amount of dish soap. Hold on, pretty girl. We got to add the soap first. Alrighty. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And after her, it's my turn.
Alright. Well, we got to shake it up.
Turn.
You can do a lot. You can keep going.
Can I do a lot too?
A little more? Alright, I think we're good. Thank you. Alright, let's put the top on.
I'm going to do some.
You get to do it next, remember? You just keep redoing it because it's so much fun. Alright, we're going to shake it side to side. Ready? Alrighty, and do you see it? The tornado?
No, I don't see the tornado. I want to see it. Whoa, I see it. I can't because it's too bubbly.
Yeah, it is kind of bubbly. So, you just keep trying it until you get the right amount of soap. But we did get it last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.